Hello guys, today we're going to try to change this boot. Oh, it was very dark indeed. Let us see if we can have some light. This torn boot is game over. So yep. All right. We're going to take a shortcut and try this stretchable boot with this special tool. So yeah, I've never done this before, so it's my first time, so let's see how it's going. So far the wheel is off, boot is not good, but hopefully it will be better.
Det var nok til å få opp det pappa det I kløsjen. Så da tok du kløsjen så det hele I stedet for tullingene som heter med kraft og...
Hva skal vi gjøre? Holde avslingen? Holde avslingen? Ja. Så dette frem der sånn mot med. And here we go. The axle is loose, and we just need to clean something here and yeah, and change it. Okay, we are cutting. Kniv? Hey, klar. Voila! Oh nei! Du får vei. Det her må vel gå. Hvor skal det gå? Så. Så nå da. Så dere åpne nå. Ser vi nå vel? Er det på nå? Ja. Så la den inn på. Ja. Hvor trenger vi på? And here we go. Okay guys. Then we have got it on the axle. And we now need to fill it with grease and just put it over, cut the extra rubber, and we should be good to go. Okay, then the new boot is in there. Shiny and nice. Yeah. So the clue here is this tool, the Electa Easy Boot, and some screws.